Edinburgh. Steve, I am very glad that we didn't have any of that, but I know that they're still going through it.
Yeah, I was just checking the National Weather Service out of Brownsville, Texas. They've already had 6 to 12 inches there in the tributaries surrounding the Rio Grande between McAllen and Brownsville. So they've got a flood warning up until 5:30 p.m. local time, Central Daylight Time there today. But nothing like that going on here in the Pacific Northwest. Just some choppy surf. I wanted to bring this up. This is our Chinook Winds Casino Resort camera for Lincoln City. There is some clearing out there. I've got it zoomed in a little tight just because I wanted to show you how active the seas are. That's because we've got an area of low pressure in the upper levels of the atmosphere, really turning up the seas out there. Look at that. More snow. Snow continues to fall at Mount Hood Meadows. This is a live look. 3 inches of new in the last 24 hours. They take those measurements every morning at 5 a.m., so I suspect they've had a little more since then. 147-inch base. Yeah, folks up there enjoying a good day of skiing. And this weekend is going to be a great weekend for skiing as well as we get a break in between systems. Live look outside right now, Subaru Portland downtown. Yeah, a lot of scattered showers around, cloudy skies. 54 degrees, though, fairly mild. Notice that wind, south-southwest, 21 miles per hour. Satellite and radar, you see even moderate to heavy showers on the west side of the metro area. So if you're from, say, Hillsborough out through Forest Grove, along the Sunset Highway, Highway 26 out to Seaside, got a lot of rain falling. But notice for I-5, eastbound, not much going on right now. That is going to shift inland, though. This area of upper level low off the coast continues to pinwheel these bands of moisture in, but it's slowly weakening and pushing offshore, so the rainfall will begin to taper off this evening. All right, current temperatures right now, it's a chilly day out there at Astoria, 49 degrees, some light rain there. In the mid-50s in the valley, 53 Salem. As you move through the Columbia River Gorge, a lot of 50s there as well, but some sunshine over there in the Dalles. At 57, rainfall since midnight, just about 1/10 to 2/10 of an inch of rain in the valley, McMinnville, about 1/4 of an inch. But look at Tillamook, almost 1 inch. So a lot of rain on the coast as those bands of moisture just continue to move north up the coast today. Okay, I just updated this as of 12 noon, 4.15 inches of rainfall total at Portland International Airport in the month of March. And that's above normal by about 1/2 inch. You can see the last few days. We've had some dry time in there as well. Okay, Thorns match this weekend against Carolina Courage. Saturday at 7 p.m. No problems there. Just bring a jacket. It's going to be a chilly evening. Timbers, on the other hand, Sunday afternoon at 4 p.m. out there on the pitch. Scattered showers beginning to pick up at about match time there. 5 o'clock probably. Earlier in the day, though, no issues with any rain. It's going to remain dry. Futurecast kind of plays it all out. We back the showers off. Here's 5 o'clock tonight in the overnight hours, a few passing showers. But then we get into Saturday. Here's 12 noon, just a couple of pop-up showers. And then we dry things out nicely by Saturday night. And it stays dry for most of Sunday until we get to about 5 p.m. Then that next system pushes in, bringing that light rain. So if you head out to the Timbers match, you want to carry that jacket. All right, 7-day forecast. At least showers and breezy today. We're seeing that already. Mid-50s for daytime highs. And if you're looking for some dry time tomorrow afternoon and most of Sunday into the early afternoon hours, temperatures up around 60, and then back to, more spring weather.
I was going to say, April showers bring May showers,
Which finally bring July flowers? Is that how it goes
I think that's how it goes here. All right, stay with us. We'll be right back.